If your car paint still feels rough after a wash, you're probably making the same mistake most drivers make. They spend hours washing and waxing, but skip the one step that actually removes the contamination buried in the paint. And here's the problem: buy the wrong clay bar kit, and you can waste money, waste time, or even leave scratches all over your finish. I tested some of the most popular clay bar kits to find out which ones actually leave your paint glass smooth and which ones aren't worth your money. So before you click buy, watch this all the way through, because the difference between these kits is bigger than most people realize. And if you've ever bought a detailing product that looked amazing online but disappointed in real life, hit that subscribe button. We test this stuff the way real car owners actually use it. Also, I've linked updated prices and best deals down below, and if you're not sure which kit is right for your vehicle, drop your car model in the comments and I'll help you out. Starting at number 5, we have the Wontolf Clay Bar Kit. Right out of the box, this kit gives you more than you'd expect for the money. You get multiple clay bars, detailing towels, and lubrication accessories that make it feel like a complete starter package rather than just a clay bar purchase. The clay itself has a medium-grade feel, which means it's aggressive enough to remove bonded contaminants, but still manageable for beginners. Everything is packaged well, and the included accessories make the process less intimidating if it's your first time claying a vehicle. In real-world use, this kit performed better than I expected. I used it on a daily driven sedan that hadn't been decontaminated in over a year, and the difference was immediate. The paint felt noticeably smoother after a single pass. Here's where it surprised me. The clay remained pliable even after extended use. Many cheap kits start crumbling or becoming difficult to work with, but this one held together nicely. The only downside is that the lubricant isn't quite as slick as some premium options, but considering the price, it's still a solid value for first-time users. But if convenience matters more than traditional clay bars, this next option takes a completely different approach. Coming in at number 4 is the Adams Clay Mitt combo. The first thing you notice is that this isn't your typical clay setup. Instead of kneading and reshaping a clay bar, you're using a specialized clay mitt designed to speed up the entire decontamination process. The synthetic rubberized surface covers a larger area, and the included lubricant is high quality. It feels like a product designed for people who detail multiple vehicles or simply don't want to spend half a day working on paint. After testing it on several vehicles, the biggest advantage was speed. Seriously, this thing cuts down the time dramatically. Large panels like hoods and doors become much easier to tackle. Most people don't realize how tiring traditional claying can get until they've done a full-size truck. That's where this mitt shines. The only drawback is that it can feel slightly more aggressive than traditional clay on delicate finishes, so you'll want proper lubrication throughout the process. But for efficiency, it's hard to beat. Now this is where things start getting serious. At number 3, we have Griot's Garage Paint Cleaning Clay. Griot's has built a strong reputation among enthusiasts, and this clay immediately feels like a step up in refinement. The clay consistency is exceptionally uniform, making it easy to fold, knead, and control. It's designed specifically for paint decontamination and works particularly well before polishing or applying ceramic coatings. The quality control here is obvious from the moment you start using it. In real-world testing, this clay delivered some of the smoothest results in the lineup. On a black SUV covered in industrial fallout and road grime, it removed contamination without feeling overly aggressive. This is what most buyers don't realize. A good clay bar isn't just about removing contaminants, it's about doing it safely. Griot's excels there. The only downside is that you'll need to purchase lubricants separately if you don't already have one. But honestly, the performance makes that easy to overlook. And yet, the next kit solves one of the biggest frustrations people have with clay bar detailing. At number 2, we have Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit. This is one of the most beginner-friendly clay kits ever made. Everything you need is included in the box: clay bars, lubricant, and microfiber towels. The clay itself is engineered to strike an excellent balance between effectiveness and safety. Nothing feels complicated. You open the package and get straight to work. After weeks of testing, I kept coming back to this kit whenever I wanted predictable results. It consistently removed contamination without creating unnecessary headaches. That's important. Some kits require a learning curve. This one doesn't. I tested it on neglected paint, newer paint, and even vehicles exposed to heavy road salt, and it performed reliably every time. The only minor complaint is that experienced detailers may wish the clay was slightly more aggressive for severe contamination. But for the average car owner, that's actually an advantage. So what's the best clay bar kit overall? At number 1, we have the Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Luber Synthetic Lubricant Kit. This kit simply checks every box. The clay bars feel premium in your hands, maintaining excellent flexibility while still grabbing contaminants effectively. The included synthetic lubricant is one of the slickest in this entire comparison, which dramatically reduces the chances of marring or scratching during the claying process. Everything feels engineered to work together as a complete system. In real-world use, this kit delivered the most consistently impressive results. I tested it on daily drivers, garage-kept sports cars, and heavily neglected paint surfaces. Every time, it left the finish incredibly smooth and ready for polishing, waxing, or ceramic coating. Here's where it really stood out. Confidence. You never feel like you're fighting the product. The lubrication is excellent, the clay is easy to control, and the results are repeatable. The only downside is that it costs a bit more than budget alternatives, but when you're working on paint that can cost thousands to correct, that's money well spent. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for the most affordable entry point, the Wontolf kit offers impressive value. If speed is your priority, Adam's Clay Mitt combo is the clear winner. Griot's Garage is ideal for enthusiasts who want premium clay performance. Meguiar's remains one of the safest and easiest kits for beginners. But if you want the best overall balance of performance, ease of use, lubrication quality, and final results, the Chemical Guys kit takes the top spot. At the end of the day, smooth paint isn't just about appearance. It helps your waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings bond properly, improves gloss, and makes future washes easier. Choosing the right clay kit now can save you hours of frustration later. If this review helped you narrow down your choice, make sure you're subscribed for more real-world automotive testing. All the product links and current prices are in the description below. And if you have questions about your specific vehicle, paint condition, or detailing goals, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.